All right, hello and welcome to That's the Point. We're here to help you get the very most out of your construction technology. My name is Corey Meyer, joined by Jonathan Stickle. What's up, man?
Glad to be here.
You ready?
Ready to do this.
Let's stretch it out and let's go. So last time out, we talked about creating a Trimble ID, and we're a show that delivers on promises. So this episode is dedicated to the logical next step, which is administrating your Trimble subscriptions. So let's jump into this, and you ready to go?
Yep, absolutely. So this is a topic we actually help out with a lot of the time. I wouldn't say the process is counterintuitive at certain points, but maybe let's just say it's nuanced.
Nuance would be a good word for it, right? So today we're going to work through Trimble License Manager, and when you're done, you're going to be a ninja for assigning licenses and delegating other admins. So it's going to really contain everything you need to kind of be dangerous with License Manager and get your people out in the field to be able to lay out. So before we get started, we need to revisit this idea of a company admin and exactly what is it.
Yeah, so in our last video, we explained that Trimble subscriptions have two types of users, administrators and end users. Today we're going to focus on the former, because administrators serve two primary functions: to assign subscription licenses to users and to delegate other administrators.
So when your company purchases that first subscription, your local building point sets up a single administrator. Think of this role as the account owner on the licensing side. So this administrator then has access to all the subscriptions that are available.
Yeah, absolutely. So in this episode, we're going to specifically look at 4 tasks that you can complete as a company admin: creating new users, activating licenses, assigning licenses, and finally, creating secondary admins. So you ready to do this?
It sounds like you've got all the work, but you got the laptop, but here we go. So ready as we'll ever be. So let's start off signing in, and if you've already created a Trimble ID, then you're ready to proceed. But if you haven't yet done that, hit up the previous episode and we'll walk you through creating that Trimble ID to get started.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so once you've created your Trimble ID and your building point has sent you your admin, you should be able to click the Visit License Manager in your email or head to licensemanager.trimble.com.
All right, so now you're into License Manager. We see that we're all logged in, we're ready to go. The first thing we want to do is create new users because, the first rule of everything is it's always more fun with friends, right? So we need to add some users. Sometimes in some cases, you're assigning the user to be yourself, but in other ones, obviously you want to have other users be able to use these licenses, and that's what we're going to do today. So Jonathan, you're actually going to walk us through creating a fictitious field user, right?
Yes, yeah. So we'll go over to the Users tab here, and we'll go ahead and create new user at the top right. And
it's about creating a Trimble ID, and we're a show that
field team, and then create new user.
Yep. There we go. We've created a user.
There it is.
All right, so you've got your user set up, and we can now begin assigning the licenses. So actually, there's a middle step to this that we should call out. And that's first we have to activate the licenses. So here's the thing. When you purchase a subscription or from Trimble, you have 2 steps to deploy it. The first step is to activate the subscription, which entails accepting the terms, and it kicks off that activation date. And then you can assign the license to a specific user. So the first thing we have to do is actually activate the subscription. So you're going to walk us through that now. So you're going to go back to the main screen.
Yeah, so we're going to go back to the Licenses tab here. All right, we're going to go ahead and accept the terms. And as always, terms and conditions are...
We're going to read those on video right now.
Very thorough.
Yeah, we're going to read these line by line with everyone.
All right, so go ahead and check the box that you've accepted and read the terms. Continue. Terms have been accepted.
Right. You click on Activate.
So we can go and activate it. Yep.
And we're good to go. That kicks off the date. That starts your subscription date. And if you don't see any of these boxes, it simply means that you've already completed this step.
Absolutely.
So, and there you are. So now you've got some licenses that are ready to be deployed, right?
Yep, absolutely. And it also gives us a date here of when the expiration date is, so it'll always have that information available to you on that screen. And
now we need to do that all-important step of actually assigning a license to users. Yeah. Jonathan, you're there. You're already on your licenses page, and we can see actually that there's already a license assigned.
Yeah, so it's actually been assigned already to the admin user, but we want to assign it to another user.
To the field user, right?
To the field user, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and remove this user. Go ahead and remove. All right, and then we'll just go ahead and assign the new user. You can click here, or you can just click on this drop-down and select your users from here.
Oh, there's the field user.
Mm-hmm. So we'll go ahead and assign there, and we're all set.
And there we go. So now they have access to that Field Link Advanced license. And then the final step that we need to talk about is delegation. So delegation allows another user to be able to assign licenses and manage your license manager instance for your company, but you can only have one owner, which is probably you if you're watching this video, but you can have as many delegates as you need. But be aware, we're just saying this with the big yellow flag, delegated admins can change and assign at will, so just leaving that as a thing to think about is that when you give them access, they get access.
Delegate with caution.
Right, exactly. So let's jump into there. So you can actually jump over to the users now.
All right, so we're going to jump over to the users, and we'd like to delegate this user, and we'll grant them full access, admin access.
Gives you a whole bunch of warnings saying what we just said.
There we go.
But there you go. So now they can actually assign their own licenses. They can assign someone else's. They've got the full capability to do all those administrative actions. So, all right. So that was a beast of an episode. So we made it through. As the admin for your company, you now know how to create new users, activate licenses, assign licenses, and delegate additional admins.
Yeah, and of course, if you have any questions, reach out to your Building Point representative. We're here to lend a hand. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on That's the Point.